Om Shanti. Today is 20th October 2021. Baba says, sweet children, you have to conquer Ravan, the enemy, with the power of yoga. In order to change from human beings into deities, imbibe divine virtues. Question: why don't all the children follow the Father's Srimat, the elevated directions of Baba, to the same extent? So Baba is asking the reason why everyone is different in following the Srimat, although Baba is giving same directions, same Srimat to every child. Answer: because everyone has recognized the Father to the same extent. Only when they recognize Him fully will they follow His Srimat. Maya, the enemy, prevents you from following Srimat. You children, therefore, follow your own dictates every now and then. And you then tell Baba you experience storms of Maya and forget to remember Him. Baba says, children, don't be afraid of Maya, Ravan. Make effort with great force and she will become tired. So Baba says, if you keep on making efforts and don't let Maya deceive you, of course Maya will try its best, but we have to be careful. And after failing every time Maya comes, after failing, Maya will also feel tired. So this is such a beautiful point. If we have determination, then we can win over Maya. Now, essence for dharana. First, remain yogyukt and eat food you have prepared yourself. So today, Baba has emphasized on this point. Cook yourself in Baba's remembrance and eat that food only. In order to go to the pure world, only eat pure food. Only in this is their power. Second, in order to receive a new body, mind, and wealth, surrender everything old you have to the Father. Surrender yourself completely, including your body, to the Father. Unless until we give the old to Baba, we cannot receive the new one which Baba has already prepared as a gift for us. So this is the key: surrender. Blessing for today. May you be a great soul who gives happiness to all souls with your elevated interaction. So today when Baba is giving this blessing for being a great soul, Baba is also explaining and telling the signs, or you can say the definition of a great soul. All souls receive donations of happiness from every type of interaction with great souls who give happiness and receive happiness. So check. In terms of being a great soul, did I give everyone happiness throughout the day? Did I perform charitable acts. Charity means, so Baba is explaining charity as well. Charity means to give someone something with which that soul gives blessings. So check, do I receive blessings from all the souls? Means whoever I come in contact with, am I able to receive their blessings? Did I give or take sorrow? So we have to check that also. Did I give or take sorrow from any soul? Only then can you be called a great soul. Slogan: to think about something after you have done it is a form of repentance. So actually, wisdom means thinking before doing. And Dadi Janki used to say, think before even you think. But if I'm thinking after already I have done that, then that thinking only will be in the form of repentance or regret, and it can create a feeling of guilt, which is actually making the soul weak. So that is why today's slogan is very important for a wise soul or those who are in the process of becoming wise. To think about something after you have done, it is a form of repentance. Om Shanti.